Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Lily, and today we are going to talk about morning activities.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Let's start our conversation.
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Ethan.
How are you today?
I am very good. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
That is nice to hear.
Do you like the morning?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like the morning?
The morning is quiet and fresh.
I agree. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is a good time too.
Thank you. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do.
Does your alarm make a loud sound?
Yes, it is very loud.
Mine is loud too.
Sometimes I want to sleep more,
Me too.
but I get out of bed.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
What is the first thing you do?
I make my bed.
That is nice.
What do you do first?
I open the window.
Why?
I like the fresh air.
That sounds relaxing.
Then I drink a glass of water.
I do that too.
Water helps me wake up.
Yes, it makes me feel fresh.
After that, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth every morning too.
Then I wash my face.
Cold water feels nice.
Yes, it helps me feel awake.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every day.
I do too.
What do you wear after your shower?
I wear clean clothes.
Me too.
Then I comb my hair.
I also comb my hair.
After that, I go to the kitchen.
Do you make breakfast?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I like oatmeal and fruit.
That is healthy.
Thank you.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink 1 cup.
I like tea.
Tea is very nice too.
Sometimes I drink orange juice.
I like orange juice.
It tastes sweet.
Yes, and it is refreshing.
After breakfast, I clean the table.
That is very helpful.
I like a clean kitchen.
Me too.
Then I get ready for work.
I check my bag before I leave.
Good idea.
I make sure I have my phone, wallet, and keys.
I always check my bag too.
Sometimes I forget my water bottle.
Sometimes I forget my umbrella sometimes.
That happens to everyone.
Yes, it does.
Morning routines help us stay organized.
I agree. They make the day easier.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's learn a new word.
Great idea.
The word is routine.
A routine is something you do every day.
For example, my morning routine starts at 6 o'clock.
Here is another example. She has a good morning routine.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Lily, do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I like to walk.
How long do you walk?
I usually walk for 20 minutes.
That sounds nice.
The fresh air makes me feel happy.
I understand. Do you exercise every morning?
I exercise 5 days a week.
What do you do?
I stretch my arms and legs.
Stretching is good for your body.
Yes, it helps my muscles.
After stretching, what do you do?
I take a short walk.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music in the morning.
Me too. Loud music is not for me in the morning.
I like a quiet morning.
Quiet mornings help me think.
That is true.
Do you read the news?
Sometimes I read the news on my phone.
I read 1 or 2 short stories.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. Do you check the weather?
Yes, I check it every morning.
Why?
I want to know what clothes to wear.
That makes sense.
If it is cold, I wear a jacket.
If it is rainy, I take an umbrella.
If it is sunny, I wear sunglasses.
Good idea. Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
No, I like to eat every morning.
Breakfast gives us energy.
Yes, it helps us start the day.
What fruit do you like?
I like bananas and apples.
I like strawberries and grapes.
They are delicious.
Yes, they are. Do you cook every morning?
Sometimes I cook.
What is easy to cook?
Eggs are easy to cook.
I agree.
Toast is easy too.
Yes, it is.
Sometimes I eat yogurt.
Yogurt is a healthy choice.
Thank you.
After breakfast, do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I wash them right away.
That keeps the kitchen clean.
Yes, it does.
Then what do you do?
I brush my hair again.
Then?
Then I put on my shoes.
And then?
Then I leave the house.
Do you drive to work?
Sometimes I drive.
Do you ever take the bus?
Yes, I do.
Which do you like better?
I like the bus because I can read.
That is interesting.
What about you?
I like to drive.
Why?
It is faster for me.
I understand.
Everyone has a different morning routine.
Yes, every person is different.
That is what makes life interesting.
I agree.
Let's learn another English word.
Great.
The word is awake.
Awake means you are not sleeping.
For example, I am awake at 6 o'clock.
Another example is, the baby is awake.
Very good.
Let's learn another word.
The word is energy.
Energy helps us work, study, and play.
Example, breakfast gives me energy.
Example, I have a lot of energy today.
Excellent examples.
Thank you.
Let's practice a simple question.
Okay.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Very good.
Now, another question.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Wonderful.
Those are easy sentences.
Yes, you can use them every day.
If you are listening, try saying them with us.
What time do you wake up?
What time do you eat for breakfast?
Please write your answers in the comments.
We would love to read them.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Small steps can make a big difference.
I like that advice.
Thank you.